Ever wonder what makes a community thrive? It's people like Connor who dedicate their time and energy to making a positive impact on the places they call home. Residents of Santa Clarita can attest to this. Martha, a local shop owner, shares, "Connor doesn't just talk about supporting local businesses, he lives it. He's been instrumental in boosting our customer base and helping us thrive in tough times." And it's not just business owners who appreciate Connor's efforts. Longtime resident Paul says, "Connor is always there, ready to lend a hand. He's helped clean up our local parks, organize charity events, and so much more. He truly cares about Santa Clarita." But don't just take their word for it. Take a look around. You'll see Connor's impact in the flourishing local businesses, the well-kept parks, the strong sense of community. He doesn't just live in Santa Clarita. He's a part of its fabric, woven into the stories of the people and places that make this city what it is. And his commitment to the future? Unwavering. Connor is not just working for a better today, he's investing in a better tomorrow. For him, it's not just about selling houses, it's about building a community, about making Santa Clarita a place where everyone can thrive. Connor is more than a real estate agent. He's a community builder, a neighborhood advocate, a local hero. He's the kind of person who makes Santa Clarita a better place. And he's not doing it for the accolades or the recognition. He's doing it because he believes in Santa Clarita and its people. He sees potential in every corner, every shop, every resident. So the next time you see Connor around town, give him a wave. Thank him for his dedication. And remember, every thriving community has a champion. For Santa Clarita, that champion is Connor.